Hello and welcome to the part 2 of the first demo of ACCA Financial Accounting. The last stream was stopped due to some technical error, so we are uploading this video to resume from that stream and give the end of this class. So what we were studying? We were studying relationship between SOFP and SPL. The statement of financial position will show you the worth of a business at a particular point of time. We have discussed this, that suppose I need a position of my business, I need a financial position of my business as of 1st of January and as on 2nd of January. So there will be two separate statements for financial position. But when it comes to SPL, statement of profit or loss, it covers a period over a time. It covers the accounting period over a time. That means that I can say what is my financial performance for quarter 1, what is my financial performance for quarter 2, 3 and 4. That can be separately and can be determined as accumulated. Suppose if I need separate performance for each quarter, so I have statement of profit or loss for each quarter. Then if I say I need my financial performance for first half of the year, that is quarter 1 plus quarter 2. So you can give me the first half of the year financial performance, and same goes for the second half. And in cut, I ask you to give me the financial performance of the entire year. So you can just add up all the financial performance of quarter 1, 2, 3 and 4 and give me the result, that what is my financial performance for the entire year. So statement of financial position will show you asset, liabilities and owner's equity or capital for a particular period or for a particular date or for a particular time. But SPL will show you in profit or loss, that is financial performance in the form of profit or loss for the period over a time. Okay, now comes what is accounting period. So accounting period is usually a year. So suppose if my financial year or accounting year start from 1st of January, so 1st of January to 31st of December will be my accounting period. But if I started my business only in the month of May, so my accounting period for that year where I have started my business in the month of May will be from May to December, because my business was not in existence on 1st of January. I only started my business on May. So from May to December will be my financial year or accounting year. But for next year, when I have already started my business, my accounting period will be 1st of January to 31st of December, because I am already doing my business. So for a year, when you have started your business, your accounting period will start from the day when you have started the business and will end on the date when the financial year or accounting period ends. Okay, so this is the relationship between SOFP and SPL. In every year, there will be two SOFP at beginning of the accounting period and at end of the accounting period. By this chart, you will easily able to understand what I am trying to say. Suppose my year started on 1st of January 2025 and ended on 31st of December 2025. Okay. So at the beginning of the accounting period, that is 1st of January 2025, I have a statement of financial position, or you can say balance sheet, and same for the end. Suppose for the end of the accounting period, that is 31st of December 2025, I have the statement of financial position or balance sheet showing me the financial position at the end of the accounting period. But this beginning financial position or beginning balance sheet will be same as last year's SOFP asset 31st of December 2024, because what I am saying as statement of financial position, I am saying statement of financial position at the beginning of accounting period. So when I say beginning, that means just the accounting period has started, and what is my financial position at just the start of the period, not at the end of that day. I am not saying about what is my statement of financial position at the end of 1st of January. I am saying what is my statement of financial position at the beginning of 1st of January 2025. That will going to be same as my statement of financial position as on 31st of December 2024, and same goes for this. Whatever the statement of financial position I hold on 31st of December 2025 will be same for the beginning of 1st of January 2026 statement of financial position. I am talking about the beginning, not about the end of that particular day. Okay, so now read this line. There will be, therefore, there will be SOFP at the beginning of accounting period, that is bracket prior year end. So whatever the SOFP at the prior year end will be same for the beginning of my accounting period, and SOFP at the end of the accounting period will be for the same for the next year's beginning accounting period statement of financial position. Okay, now so you have SOFP at the beginning of the accounting period and SOFP at the end of the accounting period, but the statement of profit or loss will cover all the transaction during this accounting period. It will cover all the transaction during this accounting period, that is from 1st of January to 31st of December. So this is the relationship between SOFP and SPL, that is where SOFP will show you the worth of a business at a particular point of time, at a particular point of date. But SPL, statement of profit or loss, will show you the performance over the period of time. Okay, so this is the relationship between these two topics. So in this class, in this first demo, we have studied what is financial reporting, what is financial accounting, what are the nature, principle and scope of financial statement, where we have studied statement of financial position, statement of profit and loss, and other comprehensive income in brief. Tomorrow we are going to study statement of changes in equity, statement of cash flow, non-profit report, and we are also going to solve some questions which are based on today's class. So whatever we have studied today, please revise it at home so that we can solve question tomorrow. Okay, you can join our Telegram WhatsApp community on the links given on the description, so that you can be able to download all these notes and board notes for your reference. Also, please drop a comment on this video so that I can work on the suggestion or feedback given by you. Okay, so let's meet on the next class. Thank you for this class. Bye.